Hey everyone, welcome back to foxlearn. In this video, I'll show you how to implement Google OAuth login in an ASP.NET Core MVC application using .NET 9. Step by step. Let's get started. First, open Visual Studio and create a new project. Choose the ASP.NET Core Web App Model View Controller template. Then click Next. Go ahead and select .NET 9 as your target framework. For the authentication type, choose Individual Accounts. This lets us manage user sign-ins and identities. Once that's set, just click Create to get started. Alright, next we need to add Google Authentication. Open up the NuGet Package Manager, and in the search box type microsoft.aspnetcore.authentication.google. Once you see it in the list, click on it, then hit Install. Go ahead and open SQL Server Management Studio and create a new database. This is where your app will store all the identity data, like user info and login details. Open the appsettings.json file and update the default connection string so it points to the database you just created. Now we'll generate and apply migrations to create the identity tables. This will apply the necessary schema to your SQL database. Next, open the appsettings.json file in your project. You need to add a new section called Authentication. Inside that, create a Google section with two fields, Client ID and Client Secret. These are placeholders where you will later paste the actual values from your Google Cloud project. This step is all about securely storing your Google OAuth credentials in one place. Your app will use these values at runtime to connect with Google and handle user authentication. Open program.cs and set up Google Authentication by adding this code. It connects your app to Google's OAuth service for user sign-in. Alright, go to console.cloud.google.com to grab your client ID and client secret. Choose an existing project or create a new one. Next, click on APIs and Services and select OAuth Consent Screen. Click the Get Started button and enter your app name. Select your email address, and under Audience, choose External as the user type. Finally, add your contact email. Agree to the terms by checking the box and click Create. After that, click the button to create a new OAuth client. For the application type, choose Web Application. Then enter a name for your OAuth client. Set the authorized JavaScript origins to your website's base URL. For example, https://localhost:44361. Finally, set the authorized redirect URIs to your full callback path. For example, https://localhost:44361/sign-in-Google. Once done, copy your client ID and client secret into your appsettings.json file. Now run your application. You'll see a Login with Google button. Click it, and it will redirect you to Google's login page. After logging in, you'll be redirected back and authenticated in your app. And that's it. You've successfully added Google OAuth login to your ASP.NET Core MVC app using .NET 9. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss future .NET tutorials from foxlearn. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.